Morning, everybody. Welcome back. I'm back on shore again. Totally different conditions today. Actually, they might be calling for a little bit of rain, a little bit cloudy. I hope it doesn't rain. The water's a little more choppy, a little more windier. As you can see, still beautiful. I'm hoping I can catch a fish today. We still got one boat on the river. I don't see too many people out here at all. But yeah, let's give it a shot. Stay tuned. Hopefully I catch a fish. What's up, bro? What are you saying? What are you saying?
I'm thinking of bottom bouncing.
Are you bottom bouncing?
Yeah, you want those?
Let me lock up real quick. I'm gonna lock up real quick. I'll go for sure though. As you guys can see right now, there's a change of plans. Getting picked up by Tan here on the shoreline. He just drove by. I'm probably gonna try some bottom bouncing real quick. Here you go, Tan. Thank you, bro. Or it doesn't matter, whatever it is. We're just gonna try some fishing. So I'm actually gonna be on a boat. Pretty cool. Oh, big fish just jumped right there. All right, hold on, brother. Stay tuned. Well, guys, I'm on the river now. I'm with my buddy Tan. We're gonna try some bottom bouncing. It's a little choppy. That was a change of plans. I was not expecting that. Sunday, so hopefully we catch some fish. It's nice out, not too hot. Come on, Tan, catch a fish, bro.
Alright, let's do it.
All right, bro. Stay tuned. What'd you get there, Tan?
Rock bass.
Let me see that thing. Well, at least we're quick on the skunk right now. We didn't get skunk yet, so. No, the seagull picked up that rock bass. Look at it. You're away with it. Oh, bye-bye. It's gone. Yeah. I didn't even get a chance to like swim away. I don't know what it is. Maybe you got some weeds? Yeah, that's heavy. It's not fighting though. Oh, that's a wally!
What the fuck?
I caught a wally! Oh, yeah! It's a walleye! Oh, there you go, bro. You want it? There you go, bro.
The funny thing is you didn't even know it was a bite.
I know, man. I was like, wait, man. I feel like I got some weeds or something. Yeah, we got a wally, brother.
This thing didn't fight or what?
Yeah, nice one.
Oh, man, that's
It left me hanging. Part, yeah. Yeah.
that shit made no sense.
Alright, guys, we're about to do our second drift. Caught a walleye. Didn't think I was gonna catch anything. Thought it was a pile of weeds at first. Had no fight whatsoever. It was just like a nice long tug, no head shakes whatsoever or anything. Just pulled it up. Yeah, it was there. Sun start coming out. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain anymore. The water is actually crystal clear. Still choppy, but we managed something. Alright, guys, stay tuned. What is it, brother? You got something? Alright, you got something? Alright, let's see. Yep. Let's see what we got here. Bottom bounce is working right now, man. This choppy water, no boats out here. Just us.
Not holding up the bottom bounce.
Mike, you're gonna hear that. Oh, it's a walleye. Yeah, nice. Oh, there we go, bro.
Oh yeah.
Nice. That's a nice size one, man. That's chunky. Ooh.
Decent size.
You wanna hold that up real quick?
Yes, sir.
Let me see.
Not bad.
Nice, nice fish, dude. Beautiful, bro.
Not bad.
Yeah, man, that's an eater. Let's run it in there. Yeah,
Boom.
fish fry later.
Oops.
You got something here?
Small one.
Small one?
Still good.
Still fish. You need a net?
Still fish. No.
You sure?
Yeah, not for this one.
What is it? Oh, look at the size of that! Is that a perch? Look at that! A huge one!
Walleye.
Oh, look at the size of that. Hold that for a second, bro. Holy cow, man.
The biggest walleye of the day. Wow, huge walleye. Pickerel.
Walleye! Oh, nice catch, bro. Oh, the baby. Here. Oh, what is that? It's a goby. Wow. Invasive species, kill it. Oh! That was illegal. That was illegal, bro. Yeah! Woo! This guy though, right behind us. Check out this wall sign. It looks like it's about to storm. Is that coming at us? Feel the earthquake. The power of the wind. Oh well, keep fishing.
This is coming over, okay? Look at this. You feel the power right now. Holy.
Oh, it's getting dark.
It's getting really dark.
Nighttime.
Yeah.
We can trick some fish if they
Can you guys see this right now? Look at this. It's actually a beautiful sight. Oh shit!
got it?
Damn! I had a fish on. Sorry about my language here. Have my rod in this rod holder right here. And it just like completely bent over during this dark period right here. While my buddy Ken was talking, I was just saying, man, that's beautiful. Look how dark that is. Yeah, it's like nighttime now. That's crazy. What is this? That's winter weather for you. I got something. I got something. I don't know what it is. Haha, it's a rock bass. Rock bass city, buddy. Check that out, guys. Nice little tiny rock bass there. Oh, little baby. Cool. You're the police. Oh, watch out, Tan. Big waves, brother. Big waves. Watch out, man. Really big waves. Holy cow. I'll knock you over. Oh. Oh. Holy cow. Well, so far, guys, we managed to actually catch a few fish, a couple walleyes, a bunch of rock bass, little tiny rock bass. That goby, pretty embarrassing. Well, the weather has already passed over us. As you can see, it's on that side now. So it didn't rain on us. It's actually starting to clear up over here, so hopefully the fish bite. Probably gonna do a couple more drifts, then we're gonna head in. We're gonna draw right back off the shore, so. Alright guys, what is this?
Big sticky
Oh! I don't know what I got. I think I got the same thing as you. You have the same thing? What is this? Is this a stick? Mine is probably a stick too. Let's see the stick. What is this? Stick bill. I think I got a stick too. No, how about your stick?
I'm gonna bring this up to those people.
Look at that! Tree bill!
Oh man.
We both got a stick. Like we both got a stick at the same time. Wow. Alright. Oh yeah. We caught a stickerel. People make fun of that. What is that? A walleye and pickerel? Yeah, stickerel. We'll call that the stickerel. Alright guys, I think we're gonna end our day there. Drift up to the bridge. I ended up catching that walleye, a couple rock bass, can't caught the walleye, a couple gobies, a couple losses. We went through the weather earlier, kind of got lucky. We didn't get caught in no rain or anything like that. It didn't actually rain, but it was a beautiful wallflower. So until next time, I'll catch you guys on the water. See you guys soon. Woo! Yeah. Woo, my legs are all vibrating. Just being on the boat. Hold on a second, I'm gonna get over this rail real quick so I don't take a timber. Thank you, Ted. Yeah, I'll hit you up later, brother.